Hey everybody, it's your girl Rubia here back with a new video. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Yeah, I'm just letting life get the best of me, but I think we all is at some point. But I'm giving you today some large, super quick. It took about 2 hours to complete this style. Jumbo twist, whatever you want to call it, passion twist. Yes, you guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna just give you guys some tips on how I did it. I didn't do it perfectly, but hopefully, you could do it better than I did if you get some tips out of this. But yeah, as you see, I started off with my dry, crispy hair, my little fro, and it took me a while to pick it out. So yeah, and it was kind of hurting me, but I did put in some shea butter leave-in conditioner, and I just put a lot in my scalp, like, because my hair was really dry. And you're supposed to do this at least 3 times a week, by the way, you guys. That's a healthy hair tip right there, and that's obviously something I was not doing. So yeah, as you see, I'm just detangling my hair. Now I've started parting my hair. So I did I did 8 rows in the front, and so that gives me 8 braids in the back as well. Nothing too complicated. And then I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip. Well, you can see for yourself right here. So once you start braiding your hair back, you want to make sure you start off with a nice tight grip, because just do it, okay? You just listen to me, because some of my beginning of my cornrows were a little bit loose, but I also think that's because my hair is a bit short, and my hair was, kind of wet. So make sure your hair is most likely dry, or I feel like if I started them a little bit tighter, that wouldn't have been an issue. But yeah, my braids came out a little poofy in the back too, but let me tell you, child, it still work. I still got my crochets in, and it's still been in for the past 3 days. I'll give you guys an update if you want. I don't know, but so I went in with Jeanette's collection, Passion to His Hair, that I found at the beauty supply store. I used 2 packs. I will try to find the link for the store online. But yeah, it was like $40, 2 packs. You can also find it on Amazon too. Amazon has the ones that are a bit shinier and more springier. So if you're looking for that look, I will also put that description in the I'll also put that link in the description down below. I don't really have a good outro for this video, you guys, but I will insert some clips on the outcome. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm gonna be more consistent if people actually care about me like that. But yes, I do want to come back to YouTube. YouTube is so fun and I love doing it. But and I have so many new videos that I haven't even uploaded and edited yet. So y'all stay tuned for that. I post hair related videos. And I'm going to try to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So yes, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.